the Sun, and the universe's largest stars. The Sun, our mother star, is a blazing ball of incandescent plasma that shines with unparalleled intensity. However, in the vast cosmos, it is merely a drop in an ocean of stars. Some of these stars are truly titanic. Antares in the Scorpius constellation is one such star. If it were to replace the Sun in our solar system, it would engulf the orbit of Mars. Betelgeuse in the Orion constellation is another stellar giant. It is so immense that it could contain 2.7 billion suns like our own. And when we talk about giants, we cannot ignore UY Scuti, the largest known star. If placed at the center of the solar system, it would extend all the way to Jupiter's orbit. These stars defy our understanding, reminding us of our humility in the face of the universe's grandeur.